Yo, what's poppin'? What's good? How y'all doing? We out here in nature, in my secret sanctuary. I decided to come out here and make a video because I ain't gonna lie, this been on my mind. I don't know what's up. Like, I know y'all feeling it too, but my high vibrating, spiritual, soulful beings with a soul that actually aren't any NPCs or just vessels ready to just be overtaken by a manipulator or be a puppet. This for my real ones. Like, you know, y'all know that y'all got that spark inside of y'all, and that they're trying to take this spark, but whatever they do is not gonna work. Keep staying strong, keep living in your personal truth, and just keep on, and just come out here and just be out here living. You feel me? Because it's a simple fact that nothing can stop us. We're all united and connected. We are on the same level of consciousness. Because I'm not gonna lie, like, it feel like I can't even go to the internet and look up nothing anymore. They over here trying to feed me these agendas. It's just that you gotta know that that's not you, and you are not your thoughts, and you are not this anymore. You are into a transformational stage in your life where you're changing, and it's gonna be chaotic and peaceful. Chaotic, it's gonna be two polar opposites that bring you together to be one with yourself and one with the universe. And that means you're aligning. You have to go down, then up to a higher frequency. But it is what it is, man. It's just like this energy shift and all these succubus and archons. Like, literally, yesterday I was riding in a car, right, and I saw, like, my angels, they be warning me. They give me clear signs because they know, like, the type of person I am. I be so involved in other things that it may be a little hard for me to pay attention, but I've been so tuned in and turned on and focused and getting these warnings and signs, and like that they're with me. Like, it was like a billboard that said archons. I was like, oh hell no. See, what kind of company name is archons? Archons? That ain't no coincidence. They trying to tell me, like, that you just gotta be safe and be careful and protect your energy from these archons trying to steal your shit. And that we're sent out on a mission trying to gang stalk you and collect information and data about you so they can find ways to tear you down, but it's not gonna work. I'm spiritually protected and guided, but y'all are spiritually protected and guided. Some of us just don't know it. That's why some of you are asleep, because you don't know the true divine power that's within you to overtake this system and tear it down. And so we could really be on top, like, not on top, but everybody's connected. It's just a lot that I've learned in these past couple months of my spiritual journey, and I'm entering a stage of just like everything is about to be wiped off, and it's about to be a new cycle, new loop. Not new loop, but I'm breaking out of a loop, entering a new one of infinite abundance, prosperity, new relationships, new love. Even my family, like, my family gonna be on a whole different level of consciousness, you feel me? It's just about to be like the best, and I'm just entering this chaotic and peaceful stage where I can just, in the midst of a storm, I just gotta see the light, you know, and the rainbows that's coming. And I think that resonates with a lot of you, because this is, I think it was like Mercury retrograde or something. I don't keep up with Earth shit. I try to keep up with the energies and what's going on to make me feel like this. Why am I feeling it? Like, some days I be feeling like, why the hell I'm happy? Why am I feeling this certain type of way? Like, the energy is just weird. I'm not even sure what it is, but it's a lot of factors that can contribute to your energy being depleted or increasing. But I know this video is all over the place. The main topic of this video was just like giving y'all some insight on my life to, you know, it's just like, bro, I'm really becoming my authentic self now. I really can express myself how I deserve to. It's just like, whoa, I have a lot of gifts and talents that I haven't been tapping into, and it's like sometimes I feel kind of pressured and boxed in to just go ahead and follow through with them. But remember, always follow your divine guidance, because you know if you don't, it's not gonna turn out the way that it's supposed to turn out. Just go by your gut. Tell you, just don't even go against it. Because your ego gonna make you say, oh, I don't feel like it. Oh, I'm too tired. Oh, this, that, making up excuses. There's no excuses in this universe. Everything is possible. Make it possible. Don't make it possible. Make it happen. But yeah, that was just little words of encouragement. You know, I'm here to empower all of us. We are all here. We are all one. We are all here to grow and ascend. You feel me? But yeah, all the answers are within you. They will reflect on your outer world, where you may get them from. You may get down from the universe. May get them from yourself. You may ask for them, and they may pop up on your phone or timeline. But everything in this phone, in this box, is within this whole field, electromagnetic field and sphere of energy. But anyways, yeah, I'm ready to share some real knowledge with y'all. Y'all ready? Drop in the comments below. Sun God Ra, signing out. Stay solid. All right, family. Roll the outro. You dig? Out here living. See, bro, I'm telling you, pay attention and evidence the miracle.